2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.